In this video, I am going to show you how to download or print your statements on Bank of Ireland. Step 1. Log into your account on the Bank of Ireland app. 2. Tap Accounts and select the account you wish to get statements for. 3. Select the second tab, Statements. 4. Tap a statement to open it. And 5. And finally, a PDF will open on your phone. You can then use your phone settings to print or save your statement. Please note that your statement is a sensitive document. Bank of Ireland cannot ensure the security of your statement once a statement is stored on any device. So make sure you stored it well and do not send it to anybody else. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if this video helped you, and I will see you on the next one.